Yes, Sasrikal students. So, in today's lecture, we will do an interesting sum. This is a circle. 3 points on the circumference of circle are given. One point is 6 minus 6, second C, third point. We want to find out the coordinates of the center of the circle. Is it clear? Alright. Now, you can use distance formula, you can use area of triangle, whatever it is, but you have to find out the coordinates of center of the circle, which is represented by point O. How we can do it? So students, the trick is, we know any point on the circumference of circle joining the center is known as, any student? Radius. Correct. So AO is also radius, BO is also radius, CO is also radius. Right? Now we can assume the coordinates of center are x, y. So what will be CO distance? CO distance is radius, BO distance is also radius, and both are equal. Right? So we will equate them. What is CO? This distance, according to distance formula, we can say it is CO is equal to BO. Right, students? So CO is equal to under root difference of abscissa, that is x minus 3 whole square, plus difference of ordinates, that is y minus 3 whole square. Right, students? Okay. This distance is equal to under root what? BO. So BO is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y, this is minus 7. So minus of minus 7 will become plus 7 whole square. Right? We can square both sides and also open this. So what we will get? X square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y is equal to x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 49 plus 14y. Am I right, students? Please check if there is any mistake. Now x square, y square will cancel with x square, y square. So what we are left? Minus 6x. Here also minus 6x. Oh, that's also gone. So this is minus 6y, minus 6y, 14y, minus 14y. Now this is 9 plus 9, 18 is equal to 9 plus 49 is 58. Am I right, students? This is 49 plus 9 is 58. Okay. So what is the equation? So we get minus 6y minus 14y. So 14 plus 6. Yes, students, 14 plus 6 is how much? 20. So we get minus 20y is equal to 58 minus 18. So that is equal to 40. So y is equal to, from here we will get minus 2. So students, we got the coordinates of y, that is minus 2, but we still want to get the coordinates of x. So what we can do now? Any student? Any student, what we can do now? OB is also radius, OA is also radius, both are equal. So what we can do? We know y is equal to minus 2. We're going to rub this. Okay. So now what we get? AO is equal to BO. Right? What is AO? Difference of abscissa, that is x minus 6 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square. Under root will automatically be gone. Is equal to what? X minus 3 whole square plus y plus 7 whole square. Obviously there will be under root, but it will be gone. So now what we will get? Here we will get x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square plus 36 plus 12y is equal to x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 49. Yes, y square plus 49 plus 14y. Y square, x square both are cancelled. Alright students, so we know the value for y. We can put the value for y and we will get the value for x. So this is minus 12x and minus 6x. It will go this side, minus 6x. Right students? Minus 6x, this is 12y, this is 14y. So it gets minus 2y. Then we have 36. Alright. So how much is 36 plus 36? That is 72 minus 9 minus 49. Everything is clear? Minus 12x plus 6x is minus 6x. 12y minus 2y plus 36, 72 minus 9 minus 49 is equal to 0. Put the value for y. Y is minus 2. So it becomes minus 6x. Y is minus 2. So how much it becomes? Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Right? So this is how much? 49 plus 9 is minus 58. Then 72. Right? So how much it becomes? So it is 14. Right? So this is plus 14. Am I right, students? This is also done, is equal to 0. We get minus 6x is equal to 14 plus 4 is 8. Minus 18, so x is equal to minus 18 by minus 6, that is equal to 3. So what are the coordinates of center? We can write, always write answer what they have asked. Coordinates of center O. What are? Can you tell students? What are the coordinates of center? Anyone? What is the value for x? 3. And what is the value for y?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Now, you can always verify your results, whether it is right or wrong. How you will verify? Now, with this center, this distance and this distance should be same. Let us see. Now, if this is 3 minus 2, so this will be 6 minus 3, whole square is 9, plus minus 6 plus 2, that is 16, right? So that is equal to 5. Is it right? 6 minus 3 whole square, 9. Then minus 6 plus 2, 16. What is this distance? 3 minus 3, 0, plus, you can say minus 2 plus 7. Minus 2 plus 7 is 25, whole under root, that is also equal to 5. Our answer is correct. Because this radius is 5, this radius is also 5. So students, this is the way with the logic you can do the sums. Let's try to do one more sum. Alright. In your optional exercise 7.4, these are two good sums. Alright. How will you do, students? So I will provide the skeletal answer of the second sum. You please try to do complete yourself. This is a square. This is a square. Okay, he says this is A, B, C, D are 4 vertices of the square. Right, students? Now he says two opposite vertices are given. What are these? Two opposite vertices are minus 1, 2, 3, 2. This is minus 1, 2 and this is 3, 2. Two opposite vertices are given. He says find out B, find out D. So what you can do? You imagine this is X and Y. This is X and Y. This is X and Y. Alright students, so how we can do it? Any student can suggest? All the sides of square are? Come on students. square has all the four sides same. So that means AD will be equal to CD, right? So what is AD? AD will be x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square under root. This is AD. This is equal to DC. What is DC? Difference of abscissa whole square plus difference of ordinates whole square. Squaring both sides and solving this, you will get x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y is equal to x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y. Any mistakes, students? A simple formula, a plus b whole square. Correct? Please check it. Correct? Minus 6x. This is y square plus 4 minus 4y. Correct. Now see, students, x square, y square, x square, y square cancels. Alright. Also minus 4y cancels. Right? So you get 2x minus 6x becomes 8x. Then 8x, this is 4 plus 1 is 5, is equal to minus 5, goes on the other side. This is 9 plus 4 is, 9 plus 4 is, yes students, 9 plus 4 is 13, so this is plus 13, am I right? Good. So 13 minus 5 is 8, so 8x is equal to 8x is equal to 1, see that? Very quickly you are able to get the value of the abscissa of one vertex. Now we want to find out the value for y. How will you find the value for y? Simply put the value of x here. No, we can't find the value of y because 4 minus 4y minus 4y is cancelling. We don't know how to find the value for y. Any student, can you look at the triangle ADC? Do you get some hint? Suppose you are having a triangle, this is a right angle triangle. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Use that. Now imagine that this is the base, this is the perpendicular. Then what is the perpendicular? Perpendicular is this distance AD. So this distance is AD and this base is, this is the base BC. Am I right, students? So from here I will get what is A. This is my AD. So I want to do square of AD. So that means when I do square of AD I will get this thing. What? X. Same I will get x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y. Correct? Because when I get AD, square of perpendicular, this will be gone, so I will get this. This is my perpendicular square plus base square. Now what is base? This is my base. Square of this under root will go, so this will be plus 1 x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y. This is equal to, any student? Yes, Amritpal Singh? Perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square? X square. So what is hypotenuse? That you can find out. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 square is 16 plus 2 minus 2 is 0. That is equal to 4. Very simple. So this distance, hypotenuse is 4. 4 square is 16. Right? So now you see that this is x square is 2x square. Y square plus 2y. Always do like this. Put the arrow so that you know you have done it. 2x minus 6x is how much?
Minus 4x.
That is minus 4x. Am I right, students? You have done. Then y minus 4. This is cancelled. Alright. This is cancelled. So we get 2x square plus 2y square. Right? Then minus 4x. Alright students, so this is minus 4y becomes minus 8, I'm sorry. This is minus 4x minus 8y. Am I right students? And this is 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 9 is how much? 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. Am I right students?
Yes, sir.
Let's see again, 13. 13 plus 5 is 18, correct. Plus 18 is equal to 16. Now, put the value of x. X is, you will get 2 plus 2y square minus 4 minus 8y plus 18 is equal to 16. Solve it students. So, you get 2y square minus 8y. This is 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2, this becomes
16.
Minus 2, this is 16?
Yes, sir.
Oh, 16 minus 16 is 0. Right?
Yes.
See, this 18 minus 4 is 14. 14 plus 2 16. Here 16 there is gone. So that is equal to 0. Is it right? Is it right students? 2y square minus 8y is equal to 0. Now, what you can do? So, take 2y common. What do you get? You get y minus 4 is equal to 0. So from here you will get y into y minus 4 is equal to 0. So what are the two possible values for y? 1, make it is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, or y is equal to 4. You are getting two values of y. So now students, you see, now you can do. This is either the value of this. So either d is, this d can be x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 or 0, or this can be x is equal to 1 and what is the second value for y? 4. Interestingly students, let me tell you, you might think that you have to again do so much hard work to get the value for coordinates of b. But actually the system is giving you the coordinates of b. These are the coordinates of d and these are the coordinates of b. Just check it. b is 1, 4 and this is 1, 0. Such an interesting thing. So see students, you have done the complete sum. You should check it. Please check it whether this distance, this all distance are same. If they are same, it is a perfect square. Thank you very much students. Wait for the next video. Bye.